चेक द स्टेटमेंट, क्या कहता है ये स्टेटमेंट, किसके बारे में है ये स्टेटमेंट. A good control system helps the organization in various ways. We need to give 4 points to support the statement. A good control system. Obviously the chapter name is controlling. इसमें क्या बोलना है, किसके बारे में लिखना है? It is about importance of controlling. So this is our question number 28 for 4 marks CBSE sample paper. So listen carefully. These are the highlighted sentences and keywords. Controlling function measures the goals with the progress. कितना प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हो. एंड इफ देर इज एनी deviation means if it differs, then we take corrective action. Controlling takes corrective action. So controlling helps the organization to be on the right track so that the goal can be achieved. This is accomplishing organizational goals. Management ने कुछ standards set किया है. Now a good control system will verify whether this standard set is accurate and objective. इसका यह मतलब है whether it is realistic and relevant. हमारे बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट में बहुत सारे चेंजेस होते हैं, whether it is organizational changes or environmental changes. A good control system will revise. इसका मतलब कुछ भी चेंजेस हो जाए, हम लोग हमारे स्टैंडर्ड को भी अकॉर्डिंगली रिवाइव करते जाएंगे, रिवाइज करते जाएंगे. दिस इज जजिंग एक्यूरेसी ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड्स. रेस्टोरेंट में जब तुम लोग ऑर्डर करते हो सब्जी, रोटी, whatever it is, it comes in a fixed portion, fixed proportion. स्टैंडर्ड होता है, वो सब्जी स्टैंडर्ड होती है, रोटी का साइज भी स्टैंडर्ड होता है. Also the serving people, if you find, all are engaged with one or the other tables. No serving person will be sitting idle. This is making efficient use of the resources, which is backed by good control system. A salesperson is selling goods without any motivation, without any standard set. He doesn't even know whether he's doing a good job or no. But what if a standard is set? If he sells 100 goods, 100 products, he will be rewarded accordingly. Then there is a motivation in him. He will try to sell the products to achieve that reward. But for some reason, if he is not able to sell the products, then the manager, instead of blaming, will try to help the salesperson, will try to bring them back on track. This is improving employees' motivation. The other two importance are facilitate coordination in action and ensure order and discipline.